Yeah, actually, I have some stuff going on, so I'll just remove my screen capture for a bit. Because I have some messages that I need to reply for from work. While I reply to those messages, and then in a couple of minutes, I should be able to go again, and that should be able just that should be able to work. Oh, and Bernard's teaching me how to use Bernard's teaching me how to use what is this, threads. So I'm gonna do like up your cd um, Zephyr. I just this is just something I've never done. Actually, not. Let's not do Zephyr. Let's not do Zephyr. Let me see if I can disable notifications for now. Notifications. Enable this. No. So for now, I'll leave this closed. Okay, cool. So that way, I can go here and I can enable my screen, and that's fine. So actually, let's not do that. Let's go cd Appio, so the documents, and yeah, and then cd rkl binary counter, and then I've never Appio build, which is gonna be fast because I just upgraded my RAM. But let's see, it took 0.94 seconds, so Appio build dash j. Bana's teaching me how to do this. Dash j what dash j 12. Let's say 12. Yeah, so that's dash j 12. Yeah, no. He wants to know this. Just a moment, and then I'm gonna do. ls dev sd. Anyways, so the thing we're gonna be doing today is we're going to go through sequential SSI components. And the reason we're going to go through this is because it's quite difficult to, let me go to the stream so that we see if anyone is live. Just go live. Just let me make sure I'm live, and let me make sure there's someone watching, and analytics. Is there someone? Yeah, hi people, hi everyone. Let me say, and we are live. And we are live. And we are live. So, hi everyone. That was a bit of a segue to begin with, but we're here now. What we want to deal with today is sort of like look at sequential small scale integration components. That's what SSI stands for. But this is basically when items are like clocked and when they're not clocked and things of the sort, and latched and not latched. And this, so in some weird way, this ends up borrowing itself into the micro pipelines that we were learning earlier in the week. So basically, I think the before we even get to sequential design, it's just we want to look at the components. I think, yeah. So that's really what we're gonna look at today. So I think even the thing goes here. So SSI components, just the components, because we'll get to the design, we'll get to the all of the other things later. But we want to just kind of explore the components and see how they work. And then after we see how they work, we can kind of figure out where to go with them. It's quite interesting because once I started looking at this, I've realized what I was missing in the micro pipelines. And that sort of like fixes a lot, because in the micro pipelines, we were sort of building like something built out of gates, and we jumped straight to registers, which are a bit bigger than gates, and that's sort of why it didn't work out. Um, uh, yeah. Just a moment. I have to reply to something. Just hold on for me. Uh, this is odd. Just a moment. I need to deal with some emergency from work. Just a moment. So I can do this here so that you guys can see it. Whatever. That's okay. ls dev. So which one is enumerating here? ls dev tty usb tty tty usb. I do not see a tty usb. Why not tty sn0? Odd. Pico com sudo pico com dash b 115200 dev tty usb 1. This is okay. Just a moment. I'm just testing our FPGA, and then we'll go back to the thing. That way, at least you guys are not bored watching me. Yeah, just a moment. So, but basically, what I'm doing here is I'm taking is all of this public? This is public. This is public. So I'm taking I am taking this tiny clocks 33. This is public, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is public. I'm taking one of these samples, this sample here, this sample over here, sample, and I'm taking this CDC row sample over here, and I'm running it over this it's our flagship FPGA, which is the tiny clowns. Sorry, I just up my RAM, and some of the cables on my machine are like in the wrong place. Sorry about that. Okay, good. So I'm running that on this, which happens to be the tiny clowns 33. I hope this is a public one. Yeah, this is a public one. So if we look at the documentation, this is what I'm running it on, which is lattice crosslink Q NX33 FPGA, and I'm running this here. And what I wanted to do was just enumerate the devices on I²C. Yeah. I can't confirm. Can I do like a reset? Does that tell me which one? Oh shit. So yeah, this is okay. This is all. Just give me a moment. I just disconnect that, and then I just disconnected 1846 346 1846 346 83. Just give me a moment. What did I show you guys? Give me a moment. Sorry. Now I'm debugging stuff at work online. I'm just doing my job right now. So, sorry. I don't exactly have to tell you what's happening, but I am just doing my job. App overlay. So this is UDC, CDC, row. ProjConf. Let me just do a thing. CD TVI WS. Okay, cool. I might have to apologize for this and stop. Oh well, I could just do it here. Let me just do it here. So what I'm trying to do is build a CDC application for our I'm just trying to build a CDC application for our own one of our devices. So first of all, I need to go into CD tiny class git status, git status, and I wanna git diff, and I git checkout. CD let me check this. So now I'm just working online, so I'm fine. I guess I could just do this. Yeah, okay, cool. So CD this is the one I can't show, but you don't know where to find this. Okay, so I can't really show this live, so I'm gonna pull it out, and then I'm gonna go CD brave TBI. ls CD brave TBI USB git status git diff. Okay, cool. So now what I'm gonna do is west. Okay, cool. No, it's fine. It's fine. west wait source dot west source dot vvm bin activate. Okay, cool. West west config manifest manifest dot path. Where am I? It can't be. So let's do the productivity. Yeah. And then I'm gonna do that so that disappears immediately. And then I'm gonna do something like west build I don't know, tiny tunes Zephyr CDC samples USB CDC row. I know what's happening there. Okay, cool. So somehow I just need to. I know what's happening. So west update west patch. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, west flash. ECPP rog dash k3 dash into build okay, actual file dash o 0x212123 build Zephyr bin. ls dev. But let's go here. Let's just go here. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop today. I'm sorry, because I have an emergency at work. I'm gonna have to stop there, and I'll come back. I'll do another one tomorrow. But thank you so much for showing up. I have an emergency at work. I'm gonna have to stop.